Hey guys, my name is Masi Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So guys, today I'm going to make chocolate muffins. So now my ingredients: chocolate flavored muffin mix, 400 milliliter water, 300 milliliter oil, and 4 eggs, guys. 4 eggs. And here's my tray, guys. I'm going to use this tray. And here are my cups, my muffin cups. So I'm going to put my cups in here and put my mixture inside. So yeah, guys, let's start mixing. So guys, yes, our muffins, nice and fluffy and shining. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.